It's hard to find someone who's truly pondered the scale of the universe without feeling that cold, creeping terror, a vast emptiness that stretches endlessly. Black holes, cosmic monsters capable of erasing matter itself. Trillions of distant, strange worlds drifting alone through the void. But at the very heart of our own Milky Way, a black hole so powerful, so incomprehensible, it warps the very fabric of space and time. Today we're diving into the depths of Sagittarius A and unraveling the terrifying truths it holds. Right now, as you sit comfortably on Earth, you're part of a galaxy that stretches over 100,000 light-years across. And hidden deep within that sea of stars is Sagittarius A. This isn't just some distant phenomenon, it's a supermassive black hole weighing 4 million times more than our Sun. A force of destruction so immense, not even light can escape it. Invisible, silent, waiting. And yet, it's not a lone hunter. Around it, stars race in chaotic orbits at speeds of over 7 million miles per hour. These aren't gentle cosmic dances. They're desperate sprints, bound by an invisible force beyond comprehension. But what is a black hole, really? Picture space-time as a stretched fabric, smooth, steady, predictable. Now imagine placing a massive object on that fabric. It bends. That's gravity. But a black hole, it doesn't just bend the fabric, it tears it, creating a pit so deep nothing can climb back out. At its core lies the singularity, a point of infinite density, where the known laws of physics break down. Here, time stops, reality dissolves. Surrounding this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. Cross it, and you're lost to the void. But what's even more terrifying? We don't know what happens next. Now imagine you're getting closer. Your spaceship drifts toward Sagittarius A. Gravity begins to distort everything you see. Light bends unnaturally around the black hole, an eerie halo called the photon sphere. Even light itself is trapped in an eternal orbit. But it's not just light that's distorted. Time itself begins to stretch. Minutes outside the black hole could feel like hours, days, even years to you. This isn't science fiction. It's Einstein's theory of general relativity playing out in the most extreme way. As you approach the event horizon, you realize there's no going back. If you tried to escape now, even at the speed of light, it would be impossible. Time slows, space twists, and gravity stretches your body into an unimaginably thin strand, a phenomenon scientists call spaghettification. And for an outside observer, you'd appear frozen in time, forever hovering at the edge of darkness. But what's inside? The singularity is where our understanding of physics shatters. Everything we know about space, time, and reality falls apart. One theory? The singularity might not be a point at all. Some physicists suggest it could be a bridge, a wormhole connecting distant regions of space, or perhaps even different universes entirely. Others think black holes could be holograms, storing all the information of what falls inside on their surface. Could everything that enters still exist in some strange, incomprehensible way? But make no mistake, Sagittarius A isn't just a destroyer, it's the anchor of the Milky Way. Without this monstrous gravity well, our galaxy would unravel. Stars orbit at breakneck speeds around it, some moving so fast they complete their cosmic races in just a few years. Imagine a star with the mass of our Sun whipping around at millions of miles per hour. That's the immense power of Sagittarius A. And yet, from Earth, it's quiet, invisible, a shadow hiding behind a veil of cosmic dust. In 2019, humanity glimpsed the unthinkable, a photograph of a black hole's shadow captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. It wasn't Sagittarius A just yet, but a black hole in a distant galaxy 55 million light-years away. That iconic orange ring? That's not the black hole itself. It's the glowing remnants of matter spiraling in at unimaginable speeds, heating up and screaming into the void before disappearing forever. And now, scientists are turning their eyes towards Sagittarius A. Soon, we might finally see the monster in our own backyard. But let's imagine something terrifying. What if you could survive falling in? What would you see? As you pass the event horizon, you might witness a twisted, fragmented reflection of the universe behind you. Time would become meaningless, an endless stretch where past, present, and future blur into one. And as you approach the singularity, reality itself could unravel. You wouldn't just see the universe, you might become part of it, broken down into pure energy, scattered across time and space. But black holes don't just exist in isolation. They could be the architects of the universe's destiny. Some scientists believe that as black holes merge and grow, they shape the very structure of the cosmos. Over unimaginable timescales, black holes could consume everything, stars, planets, even entire galaxies, until all that remains is darkness. And in the far distant future, when the last stars burn out, black holes will be the final rulers of the universe, slowly evaporating into nothingness. Black holes are more than cosmic mysteries. They're the ultimate symbol of the unknown. Silent giants that shape galaxies, bend time, and challenge our understanding of reality itself. If this journey into the heart of darkness fascinated you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking to the stars because something might be looking back.